Why so much packaging? Let's check it out.
Hey Sampras, hey Agassi. I know you can see the inefficiency here. Toner cartridges down there. We're gonna install them later. Maybe you could recycle, maybe you could reuse. See? Look how small. This is all I'm gonna use. See? I can barely see you guys because of all this crap. Unnecessary, inefficiently used resources to package materials that we could have done in a different way. Crap, don't kick it. Boom, Chuck Norris. Whoa. 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 See, one punch. Man. But no. Swing. Humans versus inefficiency. Game, set, match. Love.
Can we do better? Let me hear some ideas.
See you later. We're reusing the box as a tennis ball. Hey, now I'm reusing the box as a soccer ball. I mean, it's a soccer box.
What?
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 We got the prime box. We got the containers that came in. We got the set container, and we got all the plastic bags, and we got all the foam and everything, and then we've got a whole bunch of cards in there.
These are just cartridges.
Let me hear some ideas.